Or the electric chair, that's the other one that people say, isn't it? I'll eat the electric chair. Oh, my favourite has got to be Interstellar. I absolutely love it. Coffee. I used to be obsessed with tea, but then I think getting older, I'm struggling to stay awake more. So yeah, with working life, it's coffee. Fuel, we'll call it. I wanted to be a vet or a zookeeper, just anything to do with animals. But I ended up selling motorway signs, selling traffic signs. Who'd have thought? But yeah, animal-related stuff. Oh, that's a good one. I think football's definitely one, as boring as it is. My phone is the other, which is really sad. I think, I have a pet lizard called Ronnie. I think my life would be very lonely without him, I think. So yeah, my lizard. I think talking to animals. I've got enough mates, not just so I can, have conversations, but just to be really interesting. Just know what that dog's thinking, what that lizard's thinking, if that elephant's hungry, whatever. I have, there's this small village called Nerca, just near Malaga in Spain, and that's where we tend to go every year, just because we know everything, we could just have a lazy holiday there. It's the local, we call it, I think. I'm still a night out. I think I'm about a year away from being a night in person, but I'm clinging on at the minute. It's a night out we'll go with. I think it'd have to be ribs. I think, because I wouldn't have to worry about the mess or anything. I could just zap me in the chair. Or the electric chair, that's the other one that people say, isn't it? I'll eat the electric chair. But yeah, I think barbecue ribs probably. Oh, every human language. No, I'm joking. I think it's got to be the animals. I think same reasons. Oh, that's a good one. Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles, probably. Someone high in power, like Donald Trump, Keir Starmer, someone, just to understand what it's like having that sort of pressure. Dogs, definitely dogs. I love cats, but I think dogs have a certain thing about them that they're just harmless. Okay, Steve Irwin, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Stephen Hawking, and I don't know. We'll go with Alex Ferguson. Awesome, like Star Wars. I'd love to speak more languages, not to animals, to humans. But I think it's such an intelligent thing to be able to switch between various languages. Oh, I think 20 years old, peak of uni, avoiding bunking all your lectures, bunking all your classes, and just going out with your mates. Chocolate. I re-watched Game of Thrones, so I think that's it. It took a long time. Santosh, because he'll be able to build a weird robot raft that will get us to safety. I did 8 years of Taekwondo. I did 4 years of boxing and a couple of years of cage fighting, mixed martial arts. So I've done lots of combat sports.